Birhoff Plus tablet is a food supplement that contains a combination of vitamins and minerals. This supplement is commonly used to boost the immune system and support general health. 1. Strengthening the immune system. Birhoff Plus tablets may help strengthen the immune system and increase the body's resistance to infections and diseases. 2. Maintaining bone health. This supplement usually contains vitamin D and calcium, which helps to maintain bone health and prevent bone-related diseases such as bone loss and osteoporosis. 3. Increase in energy level. Some people may experience an increase in energy level and decrease in fatigue by taking Birhef Plus tablets. Please like the video, my friend. 1. Maintaining the health of the skin and hair. Minerals and vitamins in Birhef Plus tablets can help maintain the health of the skin and hair. 2. Strengthening nerve function. Some vitamins such as vitamin B12 and folic acid can improve nerve function and strengthen general health. It is important to consult your doctor or nutritionist before taking any type of supplement or vitamin. Need to determine your body. Also, it is recommended to carefully read the rules and instructions for taking Birhef Plus tablets and discuss any side effects or interactions with other drugs with your doctor. Please subscribe, my friend. Goodbye.